My dear friend, today we 8th standard students have got this opportunity to conduct our assembly. Today's assembly theme is gratitude. Gratitude is being grateful to someone or being a happiness feeling for someone. All the person are running behind a goal for them, but they forgot that what they are having instead. Great gratitude helps us to be happy on what we have instead of lacking for what we do not have. Every day is an inspiring day to fuel our minds with an inspiration. I, I call upon Lavanya and Asane to say thought of the day.
Good morning, all of you. Thought of the day. Living in a state of gratitude is the gateway to grace. Thank you.
Thank you, Lavanya. A new word increases our vocabulary. So I call upon Vedika Mishra to say. So I call upon Ishwar to say word of the day.
Good morning, all of you. Word of the day. First, surrounded. The spelling of surrounded is surrounded. Surrounded. The meaning of surrounded is covered from all the sides. Second, wealthy. The spelling of wealthy is wealthy. Wealthy. The meaning of wealthy is rich. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishwar. Now let's hear from Vedika the latest happening from all around the globe.
Good morning, all of you. News of the day. National. Nasik Day International Day of the World Indonesia People. Second, international. Indian hockey team beat Korea 3-2 in the Asia Champions. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedika. To enhance our knowledge with an GK question, I call upon Neil Tardeja to ask GK question.
Good morning, all of you. Today's GK questions are as follows. First, who invented television?
Who is the inventor of television, TV? Nobody knows the answer. Yes, Tanay.
John Logiped and Hero
Right answer.
Slowly repeat.
Right answer is John Logie Baird. Second, who is the winner of 2023 UEFA Champions League?
UFI. Yes, Tushar. Louder. CSK. Anybody else? Yes. Manchester City.
Right answer is Manchester City. For pre-primary. How many letters are in English alphabet?
How many letters are there in English alphabet? LKG, UKG. Louder. कितने रहते हैं alphabet? 26. Very good. 21 क्या रहते हैं उसमें से? Consonant कितने रहते हैं? 21. And other 5 क्या रहते हैं? Very good.
Right answer is 26. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil. Thank you all of you for giving your precious time. Thank you and have a great day ahead.